In this video, I'm going to show you how to send files from your iPad to your laptop. Now this can be useful if you want to go and send things like photos and videos between your different devices. Now the first thing you need to do is come over to your computer and open up the Start menu. Now just search for Microsoft Store and click on this window here. Now click on the search box at the very top of the page. You can then search for Apple devices and press search. Click on this top app, which is Apple devices, and then press the blue install button. Once it's installed, just go and open up the app. You can then agree to the terms and conditions, and then just go through the steps on the screen. Now the next thing we need to do is go and grab our iPad and also a USB-C cable. Now you need to plug one end of this into the iPad and the other end into your laptop or computer. You'll then need to go and unlock your iPad like so, and once it's unlocked, you'll see this page here. Now you may need to allow the connection by pressing trust on your iPad, and sometimes it just connects straight away like this. Now what you can do is click on your iPad from the left hand side and you'll see all of these different folders. So for example, I can click on photos and I can go and sync my photos from my iPad onto my computer. So what you can do is go and check this option next to sync photos onto your iPad. You can then select the folder that you want to go and sync all of this media to. So I'm just going to save it in my pictures folder here. Once you've selected the folder, you can also decide to add the videos as well, and then just click on apply at the bottom of the page. Now once this has been synced together, go and open up the File Explorer on your computer, click on this PC from the left hand side, and then double click on your iPad. You can then click on internal storage, and here you'll find all of the different folders on your iPad. So you can see that each of these contains different photos, and we can basically go and save these photos onto our computer, and you can also add photos into these folders, and that's going to send photos over to your iPad.